Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to create local CentOS YAM repository. I highlighted 4 tasks for you. At first task you have to create ISO folder. In the second task you need to insert disk image into disk drive. I use VMware Workstation. I insert ISO image into virtual disk drive. In the third task I make an automatic mount ISO. The last part of this lab is I will add ISO image to local repository and enable it. For this lab you need computer or laptop with more than 4 GB of memory, virtual box of VMware Workstation and CentOS 7, CentOS 8 into it. Okay, let's check our repository, what I have. -v repo list. As you can see, I have standard repo. In first task I need to create a folder mtiso. Let's create. Command mkdir. mtiso. It's done. The next task is insert disk image into disk drive. Let's insert it into it. Okay. Settings. Image DVD ISO. As you can see, I already have disk image into it. Okay. The next step is make automatic mount ISO. For this purposes I need to add I line in file etc fstab. Let's edit our file. Okay, vi. And at the last line, let's add our line for auto mount when the computer started. For this block device. Next, I need to mount point our folder. Next, file system ISO, or for image ISO. And default properties. Defaults 0, 0, 0. Okay, let's save it. Now I run command mount A and see our mount point. Let's check. At first I don't have any CD or DVD. Let's mount. As you can see, mount is read only. What I need. Let's check now. As you can see, last line dev sro, and I have mounted our ISO image to my Linux server. Let's check folder. Now I can use our ISO image for my purposes. For example, I can install offline, install in some kind of appliance. For example, like HTTPD or other things. At the last task, what I need to do is add ISO image to local repository. There is in folder etc yam repos.d folder our repo. Let's check. etc yam point repos.d. Let's create a new. For this, just yam repo.d local dot repo extension repo. I forgot vi. Now I need to insert these lines. first lines, what is this repo? Local. Next line, name of repo. Local repo. The next line, what is base URL for this repository? You can insert here HTTP links or other links by like FTP, but our case we use file ISO image, what I inserted before. Base URL line equal file dash 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 mnt folder. The next line I need to point this repo is enabled. Cool one. And GPG check, and no necessary to check here, but in another case you need to check equal 0. Okay, all done. Save. Let's confirm our repo was added. yum -v repo list. As you can see, something goes wrong. It's our local repo, so I need some changes. -i ISO. Okay. Clean all, clean cache. Update. Repo data. I need some changes. So I need some changes. ISO base OS. Okay, let's check again. Clean update. As you can see, our local repo is working now. Also, we can check with -v yum-v repo list. At the last line, as you can see, our repo, all task was done. Thank you for attention. See you later. Bye bye.